Hi guys. Okay, I'm back with Felicity Jane and Spellbinders. So we have two of them, Spellbinders and Felicity Jane. Okay, let's see. I didn't even get to see sneaks of this one. I don't know how I did not, but I didn't. So you get 6x6 papers in this one. It's been a long time since we've gotten 6x6 papers, I believe. These are pretty colors. So you get two. Double-sided, awesome. Oh, I was put in from the last video. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, am I back? Okay, I'm back. So nice, and they're double-sided. Love that. Oh, cool. Okay, so that's 6x6 paper. Yay. Then you got washi. Let me see if you can see that. Oh, there's stars. How cute is that? Okay. Ooh, and their stamp set. This is details. How it started, how it's growing. I know how it's growing. How it's going. La La Land was part of the growing theme, I think. Since it's in my head. Plus I can't read. Okay, Epoxy Dots. Love Epoxy Dots. Then you have the, and see, I like that you have numbers. I love that. This is a orange yellowish color. So then you have the numbers. I love that. Workspace happy. Chipboard buttons. How cute are those? Love that. And then you get, well, we haven't gotten these in a while. These are the little paper clips. Yeah. And then the 3x4 cards. And I pay almost $50 for this kit. Like 46, I think, and change. So these are all single-sided. Try and go fast. Oh, cute. Sweet. That'd be cute to put gems in each of those. I have to do that. I haven't worked with Felicity Jane in a while. I got into the 3D projects and I've been loving that, you guys. So these are chipboard die cut shapes, or die cut shapes. I won't say they're chipboard. This is what they look like. Let me see if I can get them closer. Okay. Super cute. Cute. Okay, and this is the paper. Make sure you go through the fluff to make sure nothing got stuck, because you know, like these things will get stuck in there every once in a while, and then unless you know, sift, you won't notice that they're there. And I don't look at the kit after I'm done with this, so I don't know what's there or not. Okay, so oh, it's kind of popped open. This is the paper pad. Well, you know, let me just take it out because it's easier. Okay, so I like the colors. Okay, so I did see a sneak peek this morning, I think this morning or last night, of the new kit coming out. It's funny because I'm so behind. And they're finally bringing back some color. Because, you know, I like brights. I like brights and stuff. And they haven't had that in a while. And they actually are for this next month's kit. So I'm excited about that one too. Some of their designs are similar to years past or months past. Like these are kind of similar. These are similar. So it's nice to see that they're bringing that back. Okay, so this is the Felicity Jane kit. Let me take this one off, and then we have Spellbinders. And then Spellbinders. I don't know what this one is for this month. So I get the small die of the month. This is what it does. This one's similar to months past too, and people were complaining about that one, which is kind of you know, they wanted something new, which would be cool too. But yeah, this is similar to one that they've already had, but it's okay, we'll work with it. Large die of the month. I love this. And it's Hello Peeps. Oh my gosh, look how cute. The DT have put out a lot of samples. So it's a lamb, a bunny, and a chick. Oh, and look, and they show you how to put them together. Oh, I love that. And then you can make them move. You can make them, you know, like a TikTok video. Oh, I love this. It's a canning jar. I love Amazing. It's a vinegar, what is it, Vignette? Yeah, mini 3D Vignette floral mason jar. Love that. Oh, look how beautiful that is, you guys. That is super beautiful. Wow, and then look, you can put all the flowers together, all the leaves. That is awesome. Okay, so I get the Amazing Paper Grace die of the month, the large die of the month, the small die of the month, and the card kit, and I pay $85 a month for that one. And then this, you also get in the card kit, you also get a die set, and that die set is this one. Super cute. It's this one right here. Super, super cute. Love all the, trying to go slow and not whip it by you guys. So that's the card. Then you get your standard 10 cards, 10 envelopes, your standard tape, which is pretty good. That one's a pretty good tape. And then your pop dots and your papers. Your papers. You get 9 papers, which is kind of funny because I'm like, give you 9 papers. So yellow, a gold, a lilac, which this is my favorite color of all time, lilac. Oh, love lilac. It's my wedding colors. Baby blue, a mint, a white, a pink, a hot pink, and a gray. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, and then now the fun stuff. The embellishments. Ooh. Okay, so these are little they call them jemmies in the YouTube world. Jemmies. So I want to be on trend too, so jemmies. And then you get a stamp set with this kit, card kit also. Look how cute it is. And it matches the die set, so you can use the die set to cut out the bunny, I believe. So, and then, oh, look how cute. I've been using these in my project life. It has been amazing. Oh, look how cute. Adorable. Oh, look at that. Oh, so cute. I get to project life today, and I'm so excited. My husband went to work. Not excited he went to work, but I'm excited I get to play. And then I get to film a video tonight. So, a project life video. So, I will be back with that. Let's just take this out. So, this is the paper pack for the... You get 2 of each one. Oh, look at the gold. Oh, I love this one. This one's my favorite. That one's beautiful. This reminds me of one of those cartoons. Can't remember what cartoon, but a cartoon. The way it's drawn. Oh, this one's my second favorite. Oh, I love this one. I love Distressed. I love Basic Gray when they were a paper company. Oh, they were my favorite. I love the Distressed look. And bunnies. Okay, you get 2 of each of those. So that's awesome. Okay, and then the last but not least are these. Oh, I love these. And I have been using a ton of these in my project life also. So I'm going to scooch in, but I'm going to go pretty fast though. Because they always have videos on every single one of these for Spellbinders. I love the deer. And you get so many of them. They're just phenomenal, you guys. Look at the squirrels. Happy day. So it's That's not a 4-leaf clover because there's only 3 leaves. So what kind of flower is that? Oh, look at the butterfly. And the bird and the milk. Oh, look at these waffles, you guys. They're heart waffles. You see that? Are those not cute? Super cute. Treasure this moment. Grass. I love tickets. I love tickets. Bows. I love bows. This one's a 4-leaf clover. Grateful. And they have more waffles. How cute. Lovely. Spellbinders, can you have some tortillas? Because that would be great. For us Mexicans who moms still make tortillas, fresh homemade tortillas. Can you throw us a bone and make a couple of those? Oh, look how cute this smug little fox is. Look how smug he is. That is so adorable. I love that. It's like a bully. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Very nice. These are like those wood logs. Oh, that'd be cute to put like the chipmunk in it. Like the chipmunk or the bunny just in the wood log. Oh, look how cute. And then you can put the little like half. How cute is that? Friends, good luck. Alright guys, I love getting all this stuff. This stuff is amazing. Oops, I just dropped. Oh, just shred. Alright guys, I will see you all next month. Take care. Bye.